Welcome back to the Autonomous Vault. We're here today with a pre-scripted route that the vehicle will drive in autonomous mode to showcase each of the actuators. We have steering, accel, braking, and shifting. We'll go ahead and get this started here. The HMI will beep to let you know that the vehicle is now in autonomous mode, and we'll begin our route around the parking lot. First off, we're going to depress the brake and shift into drive autonomously. We'll drive forward here for a little bit before coming to a stop. Once stopped, the vehicle will shift into reverse, start to back up, and then do a left-hand turn. So back up into the parking lot here. Come to another stop. Now we will continue our loop around the parking lot. Like I mentioned previously, this is Raptor Test. It is a pre-scripted command for this parking lot here. This acts as an autonomous PC, very similar to how the end user will be implementing it on the vehicle. We can set all of our limits through this interface, just like you would through an IPC or similar application. As we come to our final sweep here, the vehicle will bring itself to a stop. I'm not actuating any of the actuators right now. We'll shift into park, and the HMI will beep, letting us know that it is time for us to take control. As I take control, the HMI will stop beeping, and now I have full control.